preparation for installation of the solar panel. Now we are measuring actual measurement for the railing. Three panels at total. Four strings. At preparation for the installation of the solar panel. Now we are measuring railing. For the 4 strings of solar series. Okay, 2 units of 10 kilowatt grid tie inverter installed by Angelo Flores. Installation of 2 10 kVA 10 kilowatt grid tie inverter, Solax grid tie inverter. Right now doing the installation, Mr. Angelo Flores and RJ Flores. Total of 20 kilowatts. Here we are again. 2 units X1 Solax X1 G2 single phase grid tie inverter, 10 kilowatt each. Then this is single phase. We're going to do some parallel connection for these two. Okay, using RS 285, I think. There's the communication cable right over here, and the other side. Then this is the protection for each inverter. 2 strings. Okay. 33 panels, and we're using the aluminum cable tray. This aluminum cable tray. Okay. Hopefully we can energize this today. Thanks guys. 33 units, 610 watts solar panels, powering 2 units 10 kilowatt grid tie inverter. Okay. Now we are preparing to install the rapid shutdown device. Okay, this is the one installing. Angelo Flores is the one who is installing right now. RSD, rapid shutdown device. Okay, now final checking. RJ Flores is the one who's final checking the installation. Okay, what's up guys? Here are some panels. These are 33 units, 610 watts each, powering 2 units 10 kVA grid tie inverter, total of 20 kilowatt, 2 units grid tie inverter. It was raining a while ago, that's why it's still wet. So now hopefully we can energize this equipment today. Okay. We'll see. Now installing the rapid shutdown device. Perfect. Let's see. Let's see. One man down. Final. This is the output going down, going to the inverter. Okay, perfect. What's up guys, here we are again, powering 2 units 10 kilowatt grid tie inverter. Okay, now it's energized, working properly. So now, because it's raining, it's still giving 1136 watts. These devices are connected in parallel. This is the master and this is the slave. Individual protection. This individual protection for every inverter. Okay. So the device is working properly already. Okay. And this is the rapid shutdown emergency switch. Connected it up in the roof. Okay, rapid shutdown, breaker. Okay, so guys, it's working properly, thanks God for the installation, working properly.